got it?
All right, Mr. Williams, good to go.
Thank you much. Hope you got your bags packed. We're going to Norway. All right, time for the longest flight of my life. Man, that is a big old bird there. I'm in for Juliet.
It's gonna be the second round you laughed, all right, boss?
Thank you. Hey, how are you? Check this out, guys. What? Dang, Hyundai's not even playing around. I got slippers, got a pillow, a cushion. Look at all this space, y'all. This is crazy. Got 2 windows. I think I even got like a blanket in here. I got a whole bed set in here. And I don't even know what this is.
I told myself, I don't know what's the front of the plane and the back of the plane.
Dude, this
like,
is
where do I go?
This is unreal. Look at all the room you got back there.
I hope you don't mind smelly feet, because I'm going to prop them up right here, baby.
Great. We're going to have to ask for a different seat. What's in here? I'm like a kid right now.
Me too.
Got a blindfold, some socks, some strong mint toothpaste, a toothbrush. Dude,
No way.
it's got everything, man.
A toothbrush?
A toothbrush and toothpaste and socks
I normally don't brush
and a
my
pillow.
teeth, but
I don't either, but I'm going to because it's free. Oh man, look, headsets, controls right there, remote. I'm sure this probably folds out, maybe. Yes, got it. Oh, well, there we go. Josh, look, hit the push button right here.
No.
Yeah. This is wild. Thanks, Hyundai. Holy cow. I ain't never seen such, y'all. This is awesome.
Sparkling water, orange juice for you.
I don't even know what to do with myself right now. Like, I've got all my pillow covers in my lap. I don't even really know, I don't know what to do with all this. This is amazing. Cheers, y'all. And there's a Miss Bev.
What? Oh, you taking my picture?
No, it's a video for YouTube. You're on YouTube right now.
No, stop it.
Yeah, you are. No, too late. Sorry. Dude, this is insane.
Have you reclined the seat?
No. How you do it?
You gotta try it.
You got a what?
I don't know what's wrong with you.
Hey, there's the man. There's a man who paid for the trip.
He's a YouTube phenom.
Yeah, you're on there, Bev.
Am I gonna be monetized for it or something?
I will be.
He'll be.
Yeah. You'll be on there. Hey, I'll tip you good though. All right, how do you lay this thing back? What you got to do here, bro? And lay in the backpack. To put your feet way up in this hole up here. I can't even reach all up. Of course, I'm short, but I can't reach all the way up in there. Oh man, life is good, guys. Life is good. Man, I'm gonna make me a whole fort up here. I'm just gonna put the sheet up there, hook it back there, reach out and get my beer. I can't see out of this thing. Yeah, let's out your tray for when they bring the meatballs and the ribs.
And the ribs, baby.
Man, I can't ever fly back there again, bro.
No.
This has spoiled me.
Game changer.
This is stupid.
Never be the same.
Nope. Life has changed.
Yeah.
I'm a changed man. Let's see if we can find any more buttons. And then the remote. Oh, I need that for my bedroom because I'll never lose the remote again. You can even adjust your butt height. Whoa. Hey, Miss Bev, can I get another one of them sparkling drinks you have?
I think he got.
Whoa, look how far this thing goes back.
It lays flat.
Dude.
It lays flat.
All the way flat?
Am I on this thing again?
Yeah, no ma'am, you're not. I mashed the Z. I mashed the Z button and it didn't go all the way back.
But now it won't lay flat with all its stuff down there.
Oh, I
So
got all
when
that
when
junk,
roll-
yeah.
And you know what? Actually, you're supposed to put your backpack on.
Oh,
You can have it down, but
Thank you,
you
ma'am.
want it up because it won't lay flat with that there.
Okay, I'll move it up in just a little bit.
Don't worry.
And then
I'm
we
sorry
then
to
we
interrupt
can
your
squish
video.
Josh. No, you're part of the. You are the video. You are the video, darling. Well, you're the best so far. We love you. All right, we got to behave. We're about to take off, you guys.
Airborne time in Norway Amsterdam this evening is 8 hours. Our pleasure to have you aboard. We invite you to sit back, relax, enjoy the flight. I'll update you more on our progress airborne. Welcome aboard.
Well, I don't care. 8 hours. I could do this thing for like 2 days. Oh, well, thank you, Miss Bev.
You're welcome.
Don't mind if I do. Pardon me, sir. Do you have any Grey Poupon? Y'all, you even get warm nuts. And my best buddy, Miss Bev, just brought me some tomato biscuits, some shrimp cocktail, a little salad, roll, glass of wine, watching a movie. We're in good shape, ain't we, Miss Bev?
Alright. You got the lamb?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, that looks awesome. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
We got some lamb meatballs and some squash and corn. Delta don't play. Okay, look, the meatballs weren't as good as my mama's, but we're like 10 miles up in the air, doing 10,000 miles an hour. So now we're about to fold this bed down and get a little rest. What the hell is going on? 418. I don't know.
She likes drink.
I believe I need a Coke or something, Miss Bell. Yes, ma'am. Hey, shout out to my sister. Man, I need some caffeine. Sir? My pleasure. Appreciate it very much. Whoa, breakfast time.
Expecting a few bumps on arrival into Amsterdam this morning. Weather down there, some clouds in the sky, light winds, some rain in the area. Temperature of 17 degrees Celsius, works out to be about 63 degrees Fahrenheit.
Please ensure larger electronic devices such as laptops are It's our pleasure to be the first to welcome you to Amsterdam, where the local time is approximately 10:08 a.m.
Oh, we're in Amsterdam.
Excuse me.
We got to book it because now our flights have changed and we've got to go to Bergen, Norway first, and then from Bergen to Oslo. Don't know why they changed, but they did.
Watch out.
Be fixed within hopefully 10 minutes, but this is unsure. I'll try to inform you better once we're off the phone. I understand this is inconvenience, but in the end, safety comes first. This is why this aircraft is not cleared to start its flight. What that means, most probably, is that all passengers who are on board now will need to deboard again, get in a bus, and then the aircraft will be searched, but not only the aircraft, most probably you will all need to do a new security check as well. And this simply has to do with the laws and the reason that if there was something irregular on board, this could now be in one of your bags or coats. You should expect a delay of at least 1 hour. Honestly, it's not something I have encountered before in my career in the airline business, but yeah, first time for everything. So once more, I'm afraid that delay will be at least 1 hour because the aircraft needs to be searched, and this can only be done if there are no passengers on board. This is what we are looking at right now. If I have any more info.
All right, so we got to get off of our plane, go jump on a bus, go through security. They got to search the plane, and then I guess we get back on. Never done this one before. All right, went back through security again. Now we're going back to the gate again.
They're all going through security check again. So hopefully within half an hour.
Hopefully this will give us some wings and we can actually take off this time. And try number 2.
Andere passagiers, dit is ook niet mijn, maar ook niet mijn leukste werk.
I don't know what they're saying, but it ain't good. Still sitting here, but I think the last people just got on the plane, so hopefully we'll take off now. Check that out. All right, so we got rebooked on the 5 o'clock flight, but we got to go back through security one more time. Hi, how are you?
Over fjellet. Flyet I dag blir på ca. 40 minutter.
Var det kaffe på kjøkkenet til 40?
Holy moly! We finally made it, you guys, after 24 hours of travel. We went from Augusta to Atlanta, Atlanta to Amsterdam, Amsterdam to Bergen, Bergen to where we are now, which is Oslo, Norway. Beautiful city. The weather's fantastic. We have just tripped into the month of September and it feels amazing. The city's really cool. It got neat architecture everywhere, a lot of history. But right now, I'm going to jump in the shower. We're going downstairs to meet with everybody and go find something to eat because everybody is famished. We're all exhausted. We're delirious, but we're excited to be here. Thanks again to Hyundai for bringing us out to Norway. We're going to take you guys all over the countryside, even on into Sweden. When Miss Sarah arrives here later in the week, it's going to be an epic journey. So give this video a thumbs up, hit that notifications bell down there, and I'll see you in the next city.